Hello, in front of me I have OPPO F29, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a backup on this device. Alright, so we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, simply scroll down into the bottom, click on System and Updates, and find Backup and Reset. Let's begin with the Backup and Migrate, which is the first option. Above we have the clone phone, but I don't know why it doesn't want to work with different devices than the OPPO phones. Simply, if you have that possibility in here, if you want to use that method, on your OPPO device you need to click that this is an old device. Also you need to download the clone phone on other device, but in my case it doesn't want to work. I don't know why. Just like I have said, I think that only works on other OPPO devices. But when you have the OPPO phone on your second device, click to receive the data. In here, click on to send data, then scan the QR codes and follow the instructions on the screen. Below we have the local backup. We can create a new one, but remember that if you create a backup right in here, the backup is stored in the storage of your device. So basically, if you reset the phone, you will lose that backups. So remember about it. And the last backup method, as you can see, the backup is already stored. I didn't show you that local backup. You can see that it's created right in here. And the last method, which is in my opinion the most common and the best option, is a simple Google backup. Simply click on Google account right in here, and also we need to be logged in, of course. Now, under the account storage we have our Google account that we are currently logged into. Below, make sure that backup by Google one is enabled right in here. When it comes to the backup details, the apps, photos and videos, SMS and MMS messages, call history, device settings and the Google account data will be backed. So that's the thing that we can copy and save. And if you need to remember that in the future, if you want to restore the backup, you will need to be logged into the same account on which you are making the backup right now. It is crucial, so remember about it. Alright, now let's click on Backup Now. Okay, and now you can see that under the backup this thin little bar appeared and it's starting to fulfill. When it comes to the opposite edge, it will mean that the backup is finished. We will also see an information below right in here that our data is backed. So now let's simply wait and I'll see you once the backup is finished. Alright, and now you can see that our data has been backed. We have the confirmation on the bottom of the screen. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.